Hello little artists. Welcome back to mini study class. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. Mangoes are called the king of fruits. Hello kids. Do you like mango? So let's start. At first, we draw the cutting part. Next, we start the drawing with curve. We draw the leaves of the mango. Mangoes are a popular tropical fruit, known for their sweet and juicy flesh, and are widely enjoyed, especially during summer. Now, it's time to coloring. Red color. Mangoes come in various shapes, sizes, and colors, with ripe mangoes typically displaying shades of yellow, green, or red. They are rich in vitamins and minerals, providing nutritional benefits alongside their delicious taste. Mangoes can be consumed fresh, used in various dishes like juices and shakes, or preserved as jams or pickles. Green color. Wow! It's so beautiful! Our drawing is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.